Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the pagination options in Instapaper. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of the right corner and press on the three dots there. Now you can just press on the settings, and after that you can just press on pagination options, and you can just manage basically these options here. You can see the flip pages, animate page swipes, and volume button scrolling. You can just enable or disable these ones that you want here, and you can select the flip pages option here that you want, and after that you can just leave, and the changes that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.